Hello everybody, the PathFinder Manga here, and I'm about to drop a real exclusive educational video on how to draw manga faces in my style. And if you don't already, follow my Instagram at the PathFinder Manga just to see more content and to stay updated on, info on the series. Also, to any fellow artists out there who learns, likes, or takes anything from this video, if you can, please share it on your social media accounts so other artists can learn and take from it. And last thing before I get on to the video, if you like my YouTube channel, want to see more of my content, please hit that like button, drop those comments, and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's get right to it. Peace. Okay, you guys, so for step one, what I need you to do is draw a circle. Try to get it, as clear as possible. Not asking you to draw over and all over, great. Just draw, just draw a circle. Okay. Okay, y'all, so next thing I need you to do is draw one line down the middle and then one line down the middle going horizontal. Now the next step is to draw the eyes right under this horizontal line. Later on I'm going to do other videos going more in detail on the eyes, but for right now, just peep how I do it. Like I said again, I'm drawing Haruko, the main character from the PathFinder manga. Alright, and there we go. So the next thing we're going to do is draw the eyebrows. And to do that, what I like to do is, you see the end of the eyes, draw a line up to here to this line and just brush them out. Like thing on this side. And I'll try to get them as even as possible. Next up we're going to do is draw the line from the nose, and what I like to do is start, from the bottom of the eyes, in between to the bottom of the circle, about right here. And since he's looking straight forward, this is how I usually like to draw Haru's nose when it's straight forward. If it's turned, I would have, drew it like that, but he's looking straight forward, so I'm going to stick to how I do it. After you draw the nose, I like usually to go from the nose to the bottom of the circle, and right above the bottom, draw the line for the mouth, and have the lip basically be the bottom of the circle. As you see, it's already starting to come out. So after I draw the bottom of the lip, I tend to draw the ears. Start right here at this middle line, and just slightly go a little over, and curve them back. Just like this. Boom. Line. Now that we got the ears, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, now we like to do the line up. And if you know, Haru's line up sort of comes in towards the middle and fades out and comes back. And this is just, like I said, Haru's line up. Depending on who you're drawing, it'll be different, but like I said, this technique is going to work for every face you're going to draw, and you will see that later on in one of my future videos. Okay, so now that we got the line up, the eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, chin, now what we're going to do is start to draw the hair. So what I usually do is take this line all the way up to the top of the circle and put a dot here, and what this is the center point for the hair. So wherever this is, hair flows from here. Bang. And so, let me erase that. And then being a manga artist, the more you do it, you will start to see that the more easier it becomes. Sort of like muscle memory. You just know what to do. And there we have it. That's the basis of a face for Haruko Dota, the main character from my manga, The PathFinder. Now, after you get here, just add some detail and voila. Enjoy. And don't forget, if you like this video, to hit the like button, drop a comment, and also subscribe to the channel.
streets never show me love. The streets only show me war. Streets only show me guns. The streets never show me hope. Only show me pain, sweat, turn up blood in the rain is deep. Nigga, right. Only show me pain, sweat, turn up blood in the rain is deep, nigga.
Okay, everybody, so that's the video. Hope you like it. If you do, hit that like button. Don't forget to drop them comments and subscribe. PathFinder Manga, I'm out. Peace. Playboy, I'm a beast. I'm a beast for that one, right? Yeah, I'm a beast. Yeah, I'm a beast. I'm a beast for that one.
Seen the pain of it all, the secrets that dwell deep inside of your soul.